So I want to do a quick video showing my workbench and the tools that I have on it at any given time. Now I'm out here filming a Beast class build, and I figured I'd just show you guys what's going on with the new workbench. So, I mean, right now I've got my cutters out here. These are like a flat stock pliers. There you go, look at that. These things are actually pretty good. I wasn't sure that I was gonna like them, but these are the Hakko PN207. These things rock. These are the CHP 170, probably Hakko's best-selling tool, and with good reason. You got a little bevel edge, they're super sharp, and you have plenty of leverage. So there's that. Off in the background, this is just a lens for the camera for some close-up work. This is 100mm Canon macro. Back there I've got my Mad Polar Motors, 380 kV, and here's the box of Beast. This is all my components as I'm rifling through building this thing. Next I got the quad hands, and up here I have all of the hands for it. These are nice because they just clip right on the metal shelf there, out of the way. I don't need anything, so if I just want one or two, I just throw them on that, and it just up there. So that's kind of a nice little workbench. It's been pretty good. I do have one small qualm with it that you know, I'm probably gonna do a review video for that soon anyways, but it's been pretty good. I like it, and it's very handy having it right here. Next to that, I've got the new Hakko FX951. This is a great soldering iron, absolutely great soldering iron. So happy with that. I've got the spare tips right next to it. And you know what? I never thought that I would go through tips. I figured, you know, I'd just kind of favor one and just roll with it. But I gotta coat that one. That one's brand new. But yeah, I mean, I switch these things like crazy, so it's good to have. I'm gonna have to do maybe a video showing you just what tips I have for it and whatnot, but if you're following along on any of my build videos, I do tell you what I switch to and when and why. So next to that, I got the Kester solder. Next to that, I got some flux. I gotta get some syringe flux. This stuff is just a paste. I've got some tip tinner, just in case I start to corrode a tip. Next to that, I got the conformal coating. Next to that, I've got the 99% isopropyl alcohol, and that works to clean up any solder joints that we get, to minimize any corrosion. As you can see, there's a little bit in that, not too bad. The only issue with using the isopropyl alcohol is you end up with a little white stuff on there. So there are better ways of doing that. It's just, that's what I've got. And then I've got a scale right here so I can measure weights of components and measure weights of complete builds. And then over here, I've got the tweezers I told you guys to get. But that's just the tools that are out here right now, like these guys and those guys here. I may or may not have those out. But that's the basic setup, and then I've got the camera gear overhead here, and there's a separate video for all of that. I'll put a link right there. So if you want to check out all that and how I film, and this guy over here, and you know, it helps to have a drill press and that sort of stuff too. So with that, if you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment below if you think this setup is good, or even if you don't like it, or what I should add to it, like maybe like a rework station right here or something. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, leave me a comment below if you think that should happen, and if you haven't already, and 90% of you have not, that's a lot of you, just go ahead and punch that subscribe button, because you only get to do it once, and it's fun. And I'll catch you later. Peace.